Hi, I'm Andrew. I'm from Martin O'Toole Architects and we're at the Bowral Project today. Our theme is contemporary country, as what we normally do, and we put a modern spin on like a rural residential development. The overall vision of the home was to create a series of pavilions which are connected and people can walk through the house quite simply. The positioning of the house came about from centering in the block, so having a good vista of the parameters and maximising the light and ventilation and the northern orientation.
I'm Lauren from Bowerbird Interiors. We're lucky enough to style homes every single day, just like this beautiful home in Bowral.
So the window furnishings are obviously an important consideration in terms of they're a subtle finish, but they're also quite valuable in terms of making the building work environmentally. So the process for bringing this job to life was driven by our client, who has a really good understanding of what she wanted. We have a builder who, Tasker Constructions, who we'd worked with before, and the three parties altogether had a good synergy. The colour palette's based on muted tones. You've got the rendered walls, you've got the lining boards, the full height curtains. They're just a white, bright sort of airiness in contrast to the surrounding environment. My favourite space at the moment is this room we're sitting in, looking back over Mount Gibraltar. The window furnishings add a soft touch or a different layer to what's already quite an angular sort of precise sort of architecture to the building. So the face fit curtains fit really well into the junction of the roof and the ceilings. Rather than creating a pelmet, it's an element in its own right that stands on the wall. The combination of the roller blinds and the sheer curtains provides a thermal insulation and lighting control to the building.
I'm a big lover of curtains, so you can imagine my excitement when I knew that these beautiful DIY blinds were being installed, which is a beautiful linen blend. It 100% completed my vision for this project.